Hi, it's Sandra, and today I thought I'd do kind of a reveal on the Mani and Me Express Kit. I've seen a lot of videos on the actual Mani and Me box, but I thought I'd do the Express Kit to show you exactly how it comes and what's inside of it. I prefer the Express Kit because it doesn't give me the polishes, the stamping polishes, because I just have too many stamping polishes. So this is my way of getting the plates, but not getting the polish. So the Express Kits are 18 and the boxes are 25. So it comes in this envelope, and within the envelope is this little canvas bag. And these little bags are really nice. I use them for my nail supply stuff, and I give them to my kids, and they're just nice little bags that you can keep and use. If you look inside, you get everything that you would in the box except for the polish. So you've got the little card that gives you an idea on a manicure with using this particular monthly stuff. Oh, and by the way, this is January's Express Kit. And then they give you the little card and what the theme of the plates are. And you get the free gift, and for January it was these little teeny nail studs. And these are really cute. They're kind of rectangular, I think, and very tiny. And then you get your little pamphlet on how to stamp and your 2 different plates. So you get everything in the kit other than the actual polish, and that's what I like about it. So I'm going to take this off and show you the plates. So here's one of the plates. And you can see there's a lot of images on here, some clouds and some, there's a rose and some little hearts and cherubs, and just really cute, and some little thorny vines. Very cute plate. And then the second one has got, looks like it has an alphabet on it. A little bit of an alphabet, and it's got some more thorns and roses and some more cherubs. I've seen people do some nail manicures with this, with the little cherubs going up the vine. And here's the little thorns. So it's a really cute plate too, especially for Valentine's Day. So that is what is in the Express Kit. So if you are interested in getting this monthly subscription without the polish, that's what I would suggest that you do. And I am going to come back as soon as I get done with my new manicure, and I'm going to be using these plates and show you what I came up with. Okay, so after playing around with this, this is the nail design that I came up with. And hopefully you can see it. I've got, and by the way, it is dark now. I started out when it was light. So I used the little angel wings, and I used the stamp, the big stamp, and reverse stamped it. I also used a little rose and some letters, and it says love, L-U-V. The V's kind of strange on there. And then the little Cupid with the little heart and the cloud. And then I just did my thumb in clouds. So very cute plates. I really enjoyed it. I did use a couple of the thorns, if you can see those on here. And for some reason, I always do one hand first, and then once I see what I want to do with each finger, I do the other one. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe.